Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report on Monday the 14th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Antech Markets. Let's look at the euro dollar now, and we're just really consolidating on the euro now. It just seems to be that maybe in front of the Fed we're starting to see this market move sideways. You've seen a few sort of contradictory candles in the last couple of days, a couple of completed sessions, and that sort of continued today because you had that slight recovery on Friday, and again slightly lower, just 30-40 ticks to the downside. And you're seeing these momentum indicators just beginning to sort of flatten off, maybe plateau, but you've got a slightly positive bias in line with the fact that we've been rallying for the past week and a half since that ECB meeting. But as I said, you're not really seeing too much more traction because you've got this big overhead resistance. If I zoom out here, you've got the old pivot band which comes in. Let me just get rid of that one there. The old pivot band which comes in of that sort of 110.50 to 111 figure area, and that has been in place for the last few months, and that is again forming the resistance. So I would say that you're probably going to get now the euro trading between, well, certainly above this 108.10 mark, and even then you're getting a tighter, maybe even a tighter band above that sort of 109.25 area, which has been the support in the last couple of days, between that and the 110.50 area. So if you do break 109.50 to 109.25, then you reopen sort of the 108.50 area, which is again a bit of a support, nothing too significant. But I think just generally speaking, this chart is just beginning, as I said, to settle into this sort of pre-Fed meeting trading, where you're going to get some sort of intraday chop up, upside and downside, but no real direction. I think the market has made its decision. It's sort of now settled into where it's going to be, sort of around this sort of 110 area, and that's where it's probably going to settle in front of the Fed. So we'll see whether you do get a move, but as I said, the overhead ceiling at 110.50, the floor forming above 109.25. I'd say you're fairly settled in that, so it'll be fairly, arguably, a little bit quiet in front of the Fed. You've got the inflation data for the US tomorrow, so maybe a bit of chop around that, but I'm not expecting too much direction. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.